What's up, guys? David from 12 Volt Technologies here, bringing you along on a simple stereo installation in this 2012 Toyota Prius. Overall, the disassembly on these isn't too bad. It's a handful of plastic clips and some wiring harnesses. Then once we get the bolts for the radio exposed, it's just 4 10mm. Pretty standard for a Toyota overall. Now that we've gotten all the paneling apart, we can remove the radio from the dash and get started on removing the wiring harnessing and prep the new Sony radio to go in the dash. This client decided to go with a Sony XAV-AX5500 radio. It's a great little radio with a glass capacitive touchscreen, wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Overall, it should be a nice upgrade for this Prius. You can see here we're just prepping the wiring harnessing for the Toyota side to mate up with the Sony connectors. Slipping on that adhesive lined heat shrink to make sure everything's insulated once it goes together. Now we're prepping the Sony side, and we just got to throw a little bit of solder on these connections. And that's it. Everything's prepped and ready to go into the car. We decided to replace this blank plug down here with a USB port for the Apple CarPlay connection to this new stereo. We're just mounting the Bluetooth microphone high and centered in the vehicle so it works well for everybody in the front seats. Now we can start making our connections to the new stereo and get everything to go back into the dash. Now that we've finalized all of our connections, all we got to do is bolt the radio back into the dash and reassemble all the trim panels. Everything's back together, the radio's looking good. If you guys are in the San Diego area and are interested in getting work done on your vehicles, jump on the website and fill out the Contact Us page.